Hey there. Let's review this question from this section on wind. Which sentence best describes the model above? If we look at our model and the effect of wind on the different amounts of rain in Galetown, we see that with strong winds, they push an air parcel up higher into the troposphere. That's step one of the model. Step two is that when the air parcel has been pushed up higher in the troposphere, there's going to be a greater temperature difference between the air parcel and the surrounding air. See how the surrounding air has extremely low temperature? Then more energy is going to transfer out, more water vapor will condense, and more rain will happen. Let's look at the sentences. A. Stronger winds cause the air parcel to rise higher, which cause more water vapor to condense into liquid water, creating more rain. That's a true statement, but we're missing the part talking about the temperature difference. Stronger winds cause the air parcel to rise higher. There is a greater temperature difference, creating more rain. This has the temperature difference, but now it's missing the condensation part where we change that water vapor back into liquid water to make more rain. C. Stronger winds cause the air parcel to rise higher. There is a greater temperature difference between the air parcel and the surrounding air, which causes more water vapor to condense into liquid water, creating more rain. C is the best answer. It describes all of the parts of the model. Also, if we look at the hint, which sentence is the most detailed, we can see that C is the most detailed just by looking at how much bigger it is than A and B. But it's good that we checked that those details were right. Make sure when you submit your answer that you select C as the best sentence to describe the model.